Do you have ideas for an online store that you want to create and just don't know what platform to use? Are you looking for an easy place to host your digital products, memberships, courses, coaching sessions in one centralized location? You need it to be beginner friendly and not charge you exorbitant amounts of fees? Well, ladies, I have a solution for you, and that solution is called payhip.com. And if you stick around to the very end of the video, I'm going to show you exactly how Payhip can help you create your online store in as simple as one, two, three, and why it will be the platform for you as a beginner. Let's get into it. Well, hello there, hello there, hello there, everybody. I go by the name of True Mystique, and welcome to the Empowered Modern Woman, where we use creativity, technology, entrepreneurship, and self improvement to help you become an empowered woman in this modern era. Now, in today's video, I am going to be going over the platform Payhip, which is an online store for your digital products, physical products, courses, memberships, and coaching sessions. Now, I recommend this platform because this is a platform that I actually use, and I've actually put all of my digital and physical products on there. And I'm here to help you get your online business off the ground. Now, this video is going to be the first video in my series on helping us ladies create online businesses so that we can begin to craft and cultivate the lives that we desire and benefit from our own gifts and talents. And if this sounds like this is something that you can get into, please be sure to leave a like, a comment, subscribe, and hit that bell button so that you can be notified whenever I drop a new video. All right, ladies, let's get into it. So, this is the platform right here, and it is called payhip.com. This is a platform that's created in the UK, and it's created to be an easy, easy way for you to start your online businesses. Like I said, it has the ability to help you sell digital downloads, courses, coaching, and more on one simple platform. It's free sign up. You don't need a credit card to sign up, and you can cancel at any time. And here's the all in one platform. And here shows you exactly all that it is that you can create on this platform on your digital store. So if you have any type of digital downloads like principles and ebooks and music, if you want to create online courses, those of you who are thinking of taking your gifts and your talents and the things that you have from your jobs and your jobs aren't serving you, you could take that information, package it up, and create it in an online course and give it to your customers in one centralized location. You can do that. If you think that you want to get into the coaching arena, you can do that too. They also have the ability to have memberships, similar to Patreon. And the last thing that I didn't know that they could do until just recently was you can even sell physical products. So if your online store has physical products in it, you can use this as your storefront. So here is showing you exactly how easy it is for you to be able to create your online store, and you can create and customize it within minutes. If you have an outside domain, you can connect it there, or you can even embed it on your own website. And Payhip is trusted by over 130,000 creators. I'm one of those creators that really recommends over even some of the other course platforms. And these are just examples of things that people are selling: digital downloads, online courses, coaching, membership, and even physical products. And here is exactly how Payhip can help you and support you if you need support. I'm the type of person where I like to give and promote value to my people. Y'all are my people. Y'all are sitting here and watching me right now. Y'all part of the family, and y'all are going to give the same quality that I would want somebody to give to me. So all of the things that I'm especially going to be showing you within the entrepreneurial series are quality services and quality products that I use and recommend myself. So that you should know that if I'm giving you something, it's because I really like the product. or service. So now let's get back into the Payhip. Okay. So I gave you all of the features that it has. And now if you want to build your theme for your store, you can either customize your theme or you can go and you can browse a theme that they already prepackaged and you can edit it for yourself. Look at all these themes. Okay, let's go to harvest. You can easily take any of these themes and customize them to your liking if you are not good with building your own theme. This one appears to be for like cooking, but you can transform this to anything that you like. Now, these are some of the most popular artists that are on the platform. So as you can see, you have a lot, a lot of happy customers. And like I said, I really enjoy this platform too. I've used multiple platforms and they were either too confusing, I did not like the interface, or it was just too expensive for me starting off. But here's what I really, really, really love about the platform Payhip is their pricing. They have a very, 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 very generous free plan where you get all features, unlimited products, and you can make as much money as you want. One thing that you notice with all of these tiers is that they have the same features. You know how a lot of platforms you have to pay more money to unlock more features? No, not Payhip, which is what I really like and what is really, really good for beginners. So you have a free forever plan where you have to pay $0 and 0 cents a month, but it just costs a 5% transaction fee on top of PayPal and Stripe with their transaction fees. But you get all features, unlimited products, and unlimited revenue. But then if you go up to the plus plan, which is $29 a month, you would only have to pay a 2% transaction fee on top of PayPal and Stripe's transaction fees. But then if you go for the pro plan, you don't have to pay any transaction fees. You get to keep all your money aside from that which PayPal and Stripe will add for their fees. But like I said, unless you're making a lot of money, you really don't need to go for the plus and the pro. The plus and the pro, to me, it's just to help out with the website and having the website to continuously function. But you really can just stay on the free forever plan for as long as you need to, for as long as it makes sense to you. Now, another feature that Payhip has is Payhip has a blog feature. So not only do they have their own blog, but in your personal store, you can create a blog as well that is attached to your theme, your niche. So I'm going to show you what my store looks like so you can see how really easy and streamlined it is and how quickly you can set up an online store. I literally did all of this in less than a day. And to be quite honest, I didn't even know that you can customize it the way you can customize it. Okay, so here is my personal online store, my logo, and I have this welcome page. I have a little blurb, a little excerpt about me. And then on the bottom of the home page, I have all of my products. I just put up the shadow boxes yesterday. Let's plug y'all want to go cop these. These are really, really, really good and really, really pretty. And I only have a limited amount in stock. So once these are gone, they're going to be going for good. And then I have my AI art here, my Black Goddess wallpapers here. And then I created an ebook. And here is my digital art page where you can get in touch with me to inquire about me creating digital art and imagery for your brand and your platform. Click on this button and it will take you to this landing page. You can get in contact with me. And it will take you to this landing page right here where you can get in touch with me. And then it has a list of all of my social media platforms. And I also custom created this. So if you're interested in doing something like this and having a landing page for your business that looks like this, I will do that in another YouTube video. But let's go back to my page. So I have a little banner, okay, that tells you this is the stuff that I have coming soon. Okay, so as you can see, you have the ability to customize each section. So I broke them down by theme. So we're going to go to the shadow boxes and here are the images. And then you can either pick it out in white or black. You can customize literally everything from the color of the buttons to the design to the layout. It's all customizable. And this is my AI art. And this is a link to the other thing that I have. And these are digital downloads. So if you press add cart or buy now, it's going to have you sign out and then you're going to get it directly downloaded to your device. All of this is customizable. So here is a photo collage of the things that I've done so that you can see my styles that I've created. Now let's go to the ebooks and I have reviews. So like I said, it didn't really take me that much time at all to create and craft this customizable platform, this customizable store. So, like I said, it really didn't take me that much time to create and customize this store. Now, y'all are probably wondering, well, True Mystique, how do you get paid on this? Well, the way that you get paid on this is they pay you either through PayPal or Stripe. So, if you have a PayPal account or if you have a Stripe account, you can connect either one of those or both to the back end of this. And that is where you are going to receive your payments. Personally, I prefer Stripe over PayPal. That's just me, that's just my thing. And then so when somebody makes a purchase, it's going to go straight to my Stripe account in like a day. Okay, so now I logged into my back end and I'm going to briefly show you what the back end looks like. When you want to add another product, you just go to your products and press add new. And then you get to create and then you get to customize all of your orders, all of the things that you want to sell. Here's a link to your store. You get to go to your store builder right here. And this is going to show you your sales, how many views you got, and your amount of sales for this month or today or all time. It's $15. And this is just another page to see a list of your products. Your store is where you can launch your store builder. You can connect your domain or you can create blog posts. Like I said, if you want to, add a blog post on your creative process or talking more about your niche, you can create that here. I just haven't added it yet. You can see all of your analytics. So here's a section for marketing. If you want to add a coupon code to give your people a sale, because we love a good sale, you can add that here. If you want to give a discount for sharing on social media platforms, here. If you want to create an affiliate platform, you could do that here. And customers, I'm not going to click on that because that has people's private information. So yeah, I'm not going to do all that. But I just want you to see that it really, really is simple for you to get your ideas off and running and get started on your online store and online platform. I hope this video was informative and educational for you. I hope that you walked away feeling that this is something that you can do, and this is definitely something that can provide you additional sources of income. I just wanted to show you how robust it was, how easy it is to get set up, how easy it is to put products up, and even how easy it is for you to be able to, you know, collect payment. So, yeah, that's it, ladies. I just wanted to show you how easy it is for you to take an idea from your head and your products and services and put it on one streamlined and simple application that's not too difficult, not too crazy to set up. So you can get the ball rolling, so you can get the money coming in as fast as you can. Like I said, I prefer this platform over some of the other digital download platforms. Is my personal preference. It has a better interface than some of the other platforms. The money that you get from purchases, it's quickly able to go into your PayPal or your Stripe. You can quickly collect the money and you don't have to wait for like a week or until you get a certain amount of money for you to withdraw money out your account. So that's a plus. The interface is good. The customer service is really good and is free. So it's definitely, in my opinion, one of the best places for you to start off if you're not really bringing in money as of yet. And then later on, if you want to upgrade to more of the expensive plans, you can, but it's not a requirement. So let me know how you guys are feeling in the comment section below. Did you like it? You want me to do another video on how to actually build a store from scratch? Are you interested in doing something like this? Do you have any products or services that you would like to put on Payhip? If so, let me know how you guys are feeling in the comment section below. If you think that this is something that you'd be interested in and something that you want to take a jab at, I have a link that you can click on in the description below to help you get started. Moment of transparency. It is an affiliate link, but if you click on it and sign up through that link, it is of no cost to you. Thank you so much, ladies, for watching. It's your girl, True Mystique, the empowered modern woman. And I can't wait to see what you guys create and what you guys put on these online stores. I know that it will be wonderful. And let me know if you guys actually did create an online store using Payhip. All right. So I hope this video finds you all well. And I'm going to see you all in the next one. Okay. Bye, ladies.